In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Wondershare Filmora for free on your PC or laptop. First, click the first link in the description below. It will take you to the official Wondershare website. Once you're there, choose your preferred currency, such as USD. You'll see 4 plan options: individual, team, business, and education. If you're using Filmora on a single computer, select the individual plan. If you need it for multiple users or devices, you can choose the team or business plan. Next, under the individual plans, select the perpetual plan. This plan includes a lifetime license and comes with a 30-day free trial. Choose your operating system, then click Buy Now. Enter your email address and click Continue. After that, fill in the required information, including your payment details. During the free trial period, you won't be charged unless you continue after the trial ends. Once you've completed the checkout process, click Secure Checkout. Now, open the second link in the description and download the latest version of Wondershare Filmora. Install the program. Then sign in with the same email address you used when purchasing the plan. That's it. You can now start using Wondershare Filmora without a watermark. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.